Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create user groups in your Jira site, for example, to organize your projects better and to assign team members to these groups with the goal to streamline work processes within your Jira sites and projects. So this is how you can do it, guys. Head over to Jira, log into your account, and what you will need to do is access your user management for your Jira site. To do that, click into that gear icon in the top right and select user management here from that drop-down menu. Inside your user management, guys, click into groups here to the left. Here inside that overview of groups, simply click into create group here in the top right corner, and create your new group by giving it a name like, I don't know, test group 1. After that, describe it below, XYZ, ABC 1, 2, 3, and also, guys, add users or assign users to your group. Click into that field here and select users from that drop-down menu. And once it's done, guys, simply click into create here, and that is going to create your group. Wait for a brief moment, and there you go. As you can see, the group has been added to your list of groups. So if I navigate back to the groups tab here to the left, I will see that this test group has successfully been created. Now you can, for example, click into these three dots to the right and add more users to that group, or grant access to the group. And yeah, or you may click into the group and here in the top right corner, edit it, delete it, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.